Now we have the Ninja Professional Blender 10,000. So let's get into it. Love the inspiring healthy recipes right here. We have instructions, the beautiful lid that Ninja has all patented. We have the blender, and last but not least, we have the bait. Let's unwrap everything. All right, so now we are ready for what you all have been waiting for, the ice test. No matter how beautiful this machine is, let's see if she can crush some ice. All right, so we're gonna lock it into place. Usually Ninja likes the handle by the buttons, per usual. All right, I'm gonna do 4 scoops of ice because it's 3 blades, so I think she can handle it. See, that's not prop ice. 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Let's line up the arrows. There's an arrow here, and there's going to be an arrow here. You're gonna lock that into place. All right. Let's turn it on, and let's start off with the pulse feature. Scared me, okay? But it did a great job. So now let's move on to low. Okay, now let's do medium. Now learn from the last Ninja that let's save a little ice so we can do the high. Here we are. I love it. It blended beautifully. Let me give you guys an close look. And there you have it. You have a smoothie, snow cone, whatever mixture you want to make in under 10 seconds. Great job.